Hello students, today we will learn Microsoft Windows logo. Logo is a computer language. This is very easy and simple language. Okay, and this language is basically made for the children who are interested to making different pictures and cartoons. You can draw different shapes also in this logo language. Okay students, so as you know that logo window is divided into two parts. This is graphic screen. Okay, this is graphic or main screen we can call, and another one is commander window. Okay, and this commander window is divided into again in two parts. This is recall list box. Okay, here you will see here cursor. This is recall list box and this is input box. This is recall list box and this is input box. In this input box we will type the commands. Okay, and after typing the commands we will press the enter key or execute button. Okay, so that your command will run and you will see the output in this graphic screen. Okay, so we will discuss first of all some basic commands of logo. Okay, so first command is forward command. First command is forward command. As you have learned in our previous video that what is forward command. Okay, forward command is used to move the turtle in forward direction. Like the short form of forward is FD. So you are to type here FD, then give one space from the keyboard. Okay, then type here FD 100 and press. You can press execute from here or you can press enter key. I am pressing here execute. Now you will see this forward command move the turtle in forward direction. Okay, moves forward. So in this command we can draw a line in the forward direction. Now next is backward command. What is the backward command? Backward command is the opposite of the forward command. Backward command is the opposite of the forward command. So the short form of backward command is BK. BK space 50 and press enter key. Okay, then what happened? Here you will see this turtle moves the backward. This turtle moves the backward. Okay, so for this we will use the BK command. Now next is RT command. RT command is right command. For this you are to give short form is RT space 90 and press enter key. This command is used to turn turtle to its right side, to its right. Okay, it means you will see the turtle moves in the right direction. The turtle moves in the right direction. Now again I will give here FD space 100 or you can give any number, like you can give here 90, then press enter. Okay, again you can give RT 90, FD 50. Okay, so in this way you can use FD, BK, RT. One more is LT. LT left command. So press LT space. Now you can give 65. Press enter. Now you will see your turtle will turn to its left side at the 65 degree angle. Okay, now you can again give FD 100. Okay, so in this way you can draw using these commands. You can draw anything. Now if you want to bring back the turtle to the center of the screen, for this you are to use the home command. Which command? Home command. But in the home command you are not to give any number, like you are to type only HOME home, then press enter key. You can see your turtle will come back to its home position on the graphic screen. So it means all the commands you can use like this. Now I am giving here one more command. See here, FD 100, FD 100. So as I will press the enter key, what will you see here? Yes, you will see here one error is coming here. I don't know how to FD 100. It means it will show an error message. It will show an error message that without space between FD and 100, the computer gives an error message that I don't know how to FD 100. I don't know how to FD 100. It means you have to give FD and give space in between FD and 100. Then it will work. Okay. So this error you will find in the logo if you will type FD without space 100. Okay. Next, one more error you can found in this logo, that if you are typing, like I am typing here FD without any value, put enter, then you will find one more error that not enough input to FD. It means you are to input any value along with the command like FD, BK, LT or RT. Okay, it needs enough input. It means a value. Okay, so this is the error if you will input any command without any value. Okay, and next is closing logo. To close the logo, there are 3 ways to close the logo. You can click on this close button. Okay, you can click on this close button, or from the file you can find here exit button. Okay, otherwise simply you can type here BYE, buy command. As you will type the buy command here and press the execute or enter button, your logo window will be closed. Your logo window will be closed. So in this way you can work in the logo. Okay, thank you.